Christian here, Pro 3 Property, St. Catharines, Ontario. Legal accessory suite project here in duplex to triplex conversion. And I think I'm going to sound okay. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick update on this project. We were able to get all the drywall done and at least the first layer in the ceiling. So we have one layer of type C fire rated drywall, which you can see over here. So this is 1/2 inch, not 5/8, 1/2 inch type C fire rated drywall. We have one layer on the ceiling right now, and then there's a few other layers coming. We're doing some extra soundproofing. And then there's a resilient channel. So we have Sonopan, resilient channel, and then type X 5/8 drywall. Here's like a good example. So you can see 2 layers of type X 5/8 drywall on the inside of the furnace room and 1 layer on the outside. So we have 3 layers of fire rated drywall. Okay, so this is the laundry room for the upper unit, for the main unit. This will have a separate fire rated door, 20-minute fire rated door, self-closing door. And then this is the second laundry room for the new apartment, which will be here in the basement. Here's a closet for the new unit, and then this is the main entrance, which will be a fire rated door. You walk in here and this will be your kitchen. And yeah, I'm just giving you guys an update on the drywall situation. So drywall is up everywhere. We got some fire rated access panels going on here. And there you go. So this is always a very rewarding point of the process of the project. It's always very rewarding to have the drywall up and start the mudding and taping. So this is going to be, by the way, this is going to be a cold cellar. It's a bit of a mess here, guys, but it is construction. So here's the Sonopan product, which is, I believe, 3/4 of an inch. Check that out. So this is going to give us some extra bulletproof soundproofing, basically. And here you got the hydro room, electrical room, just the one panel for the downstairs unit, for the new unit. That's a separate sump pump room. You got the legal egress window right here, hopper style. It opens towards the inside, so in case of an emergency or a fire, there's 2 forms of egress. So yes, you have kitchen room over here, dining, living over here, and let's go into the bathroom. So you got the bathroom, you got the vanity coming up here, toilet, bathtub. We're probably going ahead with subway tile here, white subway tile. And then as you can see here, all this drywall, it's all type C fire rated. Okay, and then here you're walking into the bedroom. It's a good size. So the entire ceiling here, everything is type C fire rated drywall. And please keep in mind, this doesn't mean that you will have to do that. We've done several projects in St. Catharines, and there are some inconsistencies, and other municipalities in Southern Ontario or in Ontario will make you do different installations. So don't use this as a template. And this is also duplex to triplex, so it's a little bit different than having a single family home like a bungalow and then adding a legal accessory suite. Anyway, I hope I could add a little bit of value to your life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and also let me know in the comments if you have done any of these type of projects. St. Catharines is known to be very difficult to deal with. And yeah, let me know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe. Peace.